Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how to add money using the column method. Right, your steps to success are today to line up the amounts of money using your knowledge of place value. Now, if you place value is normally tens, hundreds, units, and then you have a decimal point, then you have tenths and hundredths. Now in money it's a little bit different because we have pounds, then we have the decimal point, then we have our 10 pence column and our pence column. So just watch out for that. Okay, then we're gonna, once we've lined them up, we can start adding, and we always start from the smallest column. Okay, so this would be the pence column, and then we work from right to left. Okay, so we always start from the smallest column. In this case, it's the pence column, and we work from right to left. Watch out for if you have to carry. Do you remember that's where if you add the two numbers together, say, and you get a 2-digit number, the unit becomes part of the answer and we carry the 10 across, okay? But I'll talk you through that when it comes up. And check your answer is reasonable. So just check it makes sense, you know. If it's smaller than the two numbers in the question, you've made a mistake. If it's massively big, then maybe you need to check, okay? Maybe by doing the inverse. So let's have a look at some of these questions. So first off, we've got 46p plus 32p. So no pounds in this one. So I just want to remind you, here's my pence column, and here would be my 10 pence column. Here's my pence, here's my 10 pence, okay? So I want to line them up. So I'm going to put the 2 there and the 6 there, then the 4 there and the 3 there. So I've lined them up using place value, and then I've drawn these lines and I've drawn the symbol in as well, which is an also important thing to do. Right, then I can start adding. Remember, I start at the smallest column, so this will be this one here. So I'll go 2 plus 6 is 8, and then I'll go 3 plus 4 is 7, and then don't forget to add the symbol to say that's pence. Right, let's move on to the next one. Let's just think about our place value a little bit more. I don't expect you to do this when you come to do it, but I just really want to pull it out. So there's our pence, and there's our 10 pence column. There's my pence column, there's my 10 pence column, and then I'll do a big P, there's my pounds. So I'd write in my 7, then my 5, line them up nicely. I'd write in my 4, and then my 3. Then I'd put in my decimal point. Now I'm going to put in a decimal point here as well. Then I'd put in my pound. Now for me, to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to also add in a holding 0. So now I've lined that up using place value. I can draw my little line I do, put my plus symbol. I'd expect you to use a ruler here, guys, to make it nice and neat. And now I can start adding. And again, I start from the smallest column, which is this pence column. So I go 7 plus 5 would be 12. So I'll put the 2 here, the units 2 here, and I'll carry this one across. Okay, and then I'll go 4 plus 3 plus the 1 would be 8. Now don't forget to do that. Put my decimal point in. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so that's, hopefully you've got that. It's nice and easy. Let's now have a look at a few more, and I'll keep on doing it in the same way. So let's go. There's my small p for my pence, my 10 pence, my big P for my pounds, my small p for my pence, my TP for my 10 pence, and my big one for the pound. Let's line these up. So let's go with the 5p above the 1p. Let's go for the 40p above the 80p. Don't forget your decimal points. And let's put the pounds in. Let's go £2 here, £3, plus symbol, little lines across. Okay, now we're ready to start with the smallest column and work up. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12, so I've got to carry. Put your decimal point in, then carry that across. 2 plus 3 plus 1 be £6. And don't forget your pound symbol, okay? I think I forgot that on the last one, but remember that. Right then. That's looking all good. Now this one's a little bit trickier, okay? We've got more holding zeros to add on to this one, because if you look here, I've got, and that's a big T, so that's 10 pounds column. There's my pounds column. I've got something in the 10 pounds column and the pounds column, but I've also got a little small p here for my pence. I've got a thing, so this is going to be a little bit trickier. So I'm going to start off by writing 24 And then I'm going to line this up. That's £10, that's the £10, so they line up together. That's my pounds column, that's my pounds column, they line up together. Now, like I did with the other one, I'm going to put in some holding zeros just to make it a little bit easier for me. Now I'm all ready with my place value. I can do my plus symbol, and then I can start with the smallest column and work my way up. 0 plus 0 is going to be 0, 5 plus 0 would be 5. Don't forget your decimal point. 4 plus 9 would be 13, so I've got to carry that, so there's the 3, and then that goes in there. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus the 1, 5, and then don't forget your pound symbol, okay? Hope this video is helpful, guys. Good luck.